Alright everyone, we are back at the 91 Civic. We think that we have everything now to get this supercharger installed, bolted up, and see if we got make any clearancing down there on the shock tower. Over here, we got the Jackson Racing supercharger. We had to make this little bracket here, which we'll have to cut down later, but that bracket is necessary to support the weight of this supercharger on the engine. So we're going to get the old manifold off here, strip everything down, and see if we can get it fitted in there. Finally got the Jackson Racing supercharger installed in this 91 Honda Civic EF. This is a D15B non-VTEC. Alright, we're going to do a key on test to show you that everything's hooked up and running good. Check engine light goes out. Now we will have a check engine light come back on because this is an OBD0 setup still. And the map sensor is not tuned to read boost, but we're gonna start it. And that check engine light pops back on, no big deal. And we are fully running over here. Fuel pressure reads low because we got 2 bends in it, not a big deal. 370 injectors. Everything's running good. Didn't have to do any clearancing. Everything fit perfectly. Sounds amazing. Battery voltage is good. Just got a few more things to clean up on here and get it tuned.